Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going through the top 5 AI tools that you should be using for your graphic design, for your website design, pretty much any part of your design process for a product or a service. These AI tools will massively speed up your workflow, and they're all going to be available in the description. So let's check this out, starting with the first product. The first tool here is called LetsEnhance. LetsEnhance is an image scaling tool that uses AI to enhance image quality without losing any detail. It can increase resolution, fix pixelation, and improve image clarity, making it ideal for designers or anyone working with low resolution images who need to improve the quality for various purposes. So if you found an image online and you want that image for your website, of course you need the royalties for it and all of that good stuff, of course, right? But if you have this or a vector or something like this, right, and you want to improve that quality so you can use that in your media, then this tool does it perfectly. And let me just show you here what I'm talking about, right? So we've got this big pixelated image, as you can see here, and this tool will essentially, as you can see here on the demo, make it absolutely beautiful and high res pretty much instantly as soon as you upload it to the platform. So that's really, really cool. This tool is actually used for upscaling pics, of course, like we've just seen, fix any blur or pixelation in the image. It can also correct colors and remove any kind of JPEG artifacts that could come from its pre-processing. So that's pretty much LetsEnhance. It can be used for pretty much anything here, so any kind of art that you've got, definitely check this one out in the description. And now let's move on to the next tool. The next tool is called Visily. All right, this tool is a wireframing design tool specifically for people that don't know how to do wireframes or designs, right? This tool will basically do everything for you, and it allows users to create UI/UX designs from apps and websites incredibly easily. They offer thousands of templates, and they offer a lot of drag and drop components, right? If you can see here on the site that we're on currently, you can see here just even from the idea phase, right? You can have this in a nice mind map, and then from that mind map, it will use AI to essentially help your process when it comes to wireframing, when it comes to actually testing the app, and you can actually choose the design of these apps as well with all of their fantastic templates here. So we can see here on the screen, there is just so many to choose from, whether your app is more cartoon based, whether your app is more, I would say, a corporate, then yes, these guys can cater to that in any way you see fit, right? So a fantastic product here. I could basically come up with an app tomorrow, guys, and literally have this made the next day using this tool. And this is why AI is so good these days, because you can essentially take an idea, okay, you can put it through AI, and that idea will be manifested and ready to go as a product within a day or within a couple days. And the good thing about this one, you actually have a free version that you can use as well. So that is Visily. Definitely check them out in the description. And if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to leave a like because it does help out this channel a lot. All right, let's move on to the next product. The next tool is Topaz Ai. Topaz is specifically known for tools like the Topaz Gigapixel AI and the Topaz Denoise AI. It uses AI to enhance and edit images with high precision. It's popular among photographers and designers for improving image quality, especially in tasks like upscaling, noise reduction, and sharpening your image. So as you can see here, as this is playing before our eyes, we can see these images, they start off fairly bad, and then you can see it just color corrects, it sharpens the image, and it's just so good if you're a photographer, right? If you are someone that creates media and you need these images for your brand, then this is something that you should definitely consider using. The reason for that is it just goes so far ahead of a lot of these other AIs out there. Okay, as you can see here with this picture of a dog, right? You can actually sharpen different areas of the image just according to your needs. So if you want a certain area in your shot to be visible and more visible to your consumer, then you can actually do that with this tool. So that is Topaz Labs. Definitely check these guys out, and let's move on to the next tool. Next up, we have Recraft AI, and this tool is actually groundbreaking, okay? There are many features for this tool. I'll walk you through these in a minute, but Recraft AI is essentially a design tool focused on creating visuals quickly and efficiently. It allows users to generate graphics, designs, and other creative assets using AI-driven templates and tools. Ideal for non-designers who need professional-looking graphics with minimal effort. So if we do scroll down here, guys, you can see some of the imagery it will generate. So you would just type in what style you want, and this will come up with that style pretty much on the head, right? It's really, really good with prompts, I've found. And what we can see here, one thing I do really want to show you is a part of this AI, it actually can look at an image like we can see here, okay? And then it's going to determine the 3D areas of that image. And if you want to drag something on like a tattoo, like you can see in this example, you can actually do that with ease, and AI is going to do all of that for you. So previously, yes, there was photoshopping for hours and hours, any kind of promotional banner or advert or anything like this, right? But now you can essentially do that with AI with very, very little ease, right? This example in itself is fantastic, and yeah, I've been using this. It does work like it says on the tin. Really, really good product. Definitely, if you are someone who needs good quality photos or designs, or if you need a certain style, definitely check out this product because it is honestly one of the best out there. Let's move on to the next tool. The final tool we're going to talk about here today, guys, is called Pixlr, alright? So this tool is specifically based around image generation, okay? But it can do pretty much anything all of these other tools can do, okay? So we can see here, we've got an AI image generator from prompts. So if you type in, I want to see a cat wearing a hat, it's going to come up with a cat that looks like a photo wearing a hat, right? So something like this is fantastic when you are generating stuff for your business, okay? Or just designing for a client, something like this. And they've got AI face swap, removing backgrounds, okay, and just many, many more features that you can use to edit and touch up images, right? So fantastic product here. We can see that actually, yeah, these are some of the designs it's come out with, and these are just phenomenal. These are the type of things you would see in a Pixar movie or something like this. And if you have photos and maybe you don't like how your eyes look in that photo or something like this, right, you can actually just prompt it to add glasses and a hat like you can see in this example. So really cool product here, and yes, this doesn't just extend from photos or Pixar style images. It actually can make you a whole scene with your photo as well, right? So it's not just specific to one character or something like this. You can generate entire scenes in completely different art styles, right? And you can really figure out what your brand identity is when you are using a tool like this, right? And you can really hone in on a lot of these features as well to really just help your graphic design. So as you can see here, removing objects from an image, you would simply just circle it, and then it would remove it for you and just fill in that background using AI, okay? Or you could completely remove the background. Maybe you like some headphones like you can see in this example, and then yes, you want to take those headphones and put them in a different image. You can actually have that background removed automatically with this AI tool. So fantastic stuff coming through from these guys. Definitely check them out in the description. And yeah, that is going to be it for all of these tools. So let's just summarize here and conclude. If you want to actually enhance images, right, you can use this tool here, LetsEnhance, and this is purely to make your images better quality, as you can see here, right? If you're looking on more of a workflow standpoint where you want to create an app or you want to help someone create an app, and yes, your client is rushed for time or something like this, or even if they're not, you can get this done incredibly quickly with this tool, where you can go from essentially the wireframe stage to actually testing your app all inside this platform with the help of AI, okay? And that is Visily, okay? Next, we have Topaz. Topaz is great for sharpening images and editing images to just be better quality, better lighting, better presentation for your photography. So photographers out there, this is definitely the one I would recommend for you, okay? And again, that is Topaz Labs. Next tool here is Recraft. Recraft is used by a lot of different innovative companies, okay, including Netflix and Airbus. So you guys know these are going to give you some good quality if you do get involved with them, right? They work with image prompts in certain designs, so if your brand is in a certain design, then you can actually use this to keep that design consistent across your whole brand. They've also got this very unique 3D AI tool, which you can actually take an image and it will actually find out the 3D areas of that image and then adjust whatever you are adding to it based on that using AI. Fantastic tool. Definitely check out Recraft AI. And And the final tool here, guys, is purely for image generation and editing your photos, of course. This is Pixlr, right? Pixlr is fantastic. We just talked about this, but yes, if you want to generate those Pixar style images, or if you want to change your photos to add items without it looking weird or without it looking like it's photoshopped, right, you can do that on this platform. So fantastic stuff, some great AI projects and products and tools that we can see here in this video. If you did enjoy this, then let me know in the comments section, drop a like on there, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.